Arefin's important short notes of ENT. This book is a simplified yet comprehensive guide to conditions, treatments, and innovations related to the ears, nose, throat, head, and neck, also known as ENT, ear, nose, and throat, medicine. It provides clear insights into common and rare diseases, how they affect the body, and how they are treated, making it useful for students and curious readers alike. 1. Ear problems and treatments. The book explains various ear problems such as infections, hearing loss, and balance issues. For example, it describes how boils in the ear, recurrent furunculosis, can be painful and are usually caused by bacteria. It also covers conditions like Ramsay-Hunt syndrome, which causes facial paralysis and rashes near the ear due to a virus. Chronic ear infections like otitis media are explained, including their causes, stages, and treatment using antibiotics or surgery. The book also introduces ear surgeries like myringotomy and tympanoplasty, which are done to drain fluid or repair damaged eardrums and improve hearing. 2. Nose and sinus conditions. Problems affecting the nose are also covered, such as nasal boils, which can be dangerous because the infection can spread to the brain. Other topics include nasal tumors, frontal osteomas, non-cancerous bone growths on the forehead, and the importance of using CT scans before sinus surgeries like FES, functional endoscopic sinus surgery. These tools help doctors plan surgeries more safely and accurately. 3. Throat and mouth issues. Several conditions that affect the mouth and throat are described, including signs of systemic diseases like anemia or diabetes, which can first appear in the mouth. The book also talks about precancerous lesions in the mouth and the danger of chewing betel nut, which can lead to oral submucous fibrosis, OSF, a serious condition that makes it hard to open the mouth and can even turn into cancer. There's also a section on hemangiomas, which are non-cancerous blood vessel tumors in the mouth. 4. Head and neck disorders. The book addresses complex issues such as surgical emphysema, air trapped under the skin, pharyngocutaneous fistulas, abnormal openings in the throat, and carotid blowout syndrome, which can cause life-threatening bleeding. It also explains cleft palate, a condition present at birth where there's an opening in the roof of the mouth, and how it affects speech, hearing, and feeding, along with the surgical treatments available. 5. Skull base and advanced conditions. Diseases and tumors affecting the base of the skull are also explained. These tumors can affect nerves, vision, or even brain function. The book categorizes these tumors by where they are located, what tissue they come from, and how aggressive they are. Some are benign, non-cancerous, while others are malignant, cancerous. Tumors like chordomas, schwannomas, glomus jugulare tumors, and pituitary adenomas are described in simple terms. 6. Surgical techniques and innovations. Advanced surgeries and technologies like image-guided surgery, IGS, and robotic ENT surgeries are mentioned. These tools help doctors perform operations more accurately and safely. The book highlights how materials like metals, plastics, and ceramics, called biomaterials, are used in ear implants and voice prostheses. 7. Importance of nutrition and safety measures. The book also touches on total parenteral nutrition, TPN, a way to give nutrition directly through the bloodstream when someone can't eat normally. It also discusses the need for infection control, early diagnosis, and how things like poor dental hygiene or repeated ear nose picking can lead to serious complications. Conclusion. Overall, this book brings together essential ENT knowledge in a clear, structured, and easily understandable format. It focuses not just on treating diseases but also on preventing complications and improving quality of life. Whether it's a student preparing for exams or someone curious about ENT health, this guide simplifies complex medical knowledge for everyone. This important article is authored by the following scientists: Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel BP International to watch more videos in the fields of science, technology and medicine.